So what's the difference between these three sealers right here? Well, one is this sealer here is water-based. This one is also water-based. This one is solvent-based. Now, usually your solvent-based is, depending on what state, you may not be able to get them because it deals with VOCs, and some places allow you to do VOCs, some places don't. So for instance, Ohio, we can't get the one with the higher VOCs. We can get it in Kentucky, but we can't get it in Ohio. And so these are some things that you have to think about when we're dealing with sealers. So the solvent-based is obviously, I like it, but both of them work pretty well. Here's a water-based. We're going to actually do a test on and see which one works better, right? Does a solvent-based work better than a water-based? And so we will be able to test these and see which one does better. So one thing about Trident also does water-based. A lot of places do water and solvent-based, so this is something that whether you do water-based or solvent-based is not, it's going to depend on what you're looking for and how you want to apply it.